everybody. So this next song is an original that I wrote recently, and yeah, so I hope you enjoy it. It's called Timing. Tuesday I made reservations for two. We laughed, we talked to set the mood. The stars, the moon, they'll shine for you. 'Cause this love I feel has come too soon. 'Cause this love I feel has come too soon. We walk, I see there's something about you that makes me feel like someone new. And I kiss your lips and something's begun. 'Cause my dreams reality have found a love. And oh, it's all about timing. Timing's what I need. I've been loving all of these moments here with you and me. You everything. Life is full of pain. Your eyes make it go away. I'm king and I wish you could be my queen. My queen. I smile so bright when I see your name on the phone. You're back in class and I'm alone. And you say that I miss you. And you say that I miss you. And oh, no snow, no rain's gonna make me stay away. No man's timing's gonna be the same. 'Cause these thoughts, feelings, they'll always remain right here in this song that I love to sing. Yeah, it's all about timing. Timing's what I need. I've been loving all of these moments here with